Hello, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, I want to show you how to contact app developers in App Store. On your device, you want to open App Store and search for specific application. Now tap the application to open its product page that should look like this, and now you want to scroll to this section ratings and reviews, and here at the very bottom of this section you will see button app support. Let's press this button and it will redirect you to your browser. This is developers help center. It also may be contact form like I have on my screen, or some kind of email address. So basically contact information of the developer's application. And here you can fill in all that information and finally submit your request or your message. So that is basically it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.